I would now like to create another note with some multimedia content in it. So this time I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut of Control N, and I'm going to copy content from a PDF I have on my desktop. So I do apologise, I'm just going to minimize these. And open this PDF I have here. Okay everyone, this is some shameless advertising for an upcoming hint session we have as part of the E-team. Okay, to copy this, I'm going to go to Edit, scroll down and go to Copy File to Clipboard and click here. I'm now going to go back into Evernote, and within the note pane, I'm going to return twice and simply once again click Paste. And as you can see, we have the PDF in its entirety. However, this time I'd like to do a audio narration for this. Just a wee WAV file to go along with this particular note. So in the in the note toolbar, I scroll along to the icon to the farthest right, and you'll see it's a microphone, and I click here. And as you can see, I have the option, I have a record toolbar, I have the option to cancel if I don't wish to record audio. I have levels and I have the option to record. So I'm just going to do a quick narration here. One moment. I'm now going to click the record button. This is an advert for the February session of the Hint Group, a chance to meet and discuss any technical issues we may have been having, along with the opportunity to share our own e-learning and technical experiences. And I'm going to click Save when it's done. And as you can see, within the note, Evernote has produced a WAV file, and if I press the play button, I have the option to hear. This is an advert for the February session of the Hint Group, a chance to meet and discuss any technical issues we may have been. And as you can hear, that has been recorded successfully. And I'm just going to quickly go over another way to share. If I go to share, to share via the clipboard, I right click on the note within the note pane section in the middle. I scroll down to share and I go copy note URL to clipboard. I click here, and this will be synchronizing with Evernote Web. This does take a few moments, and it's working away, and now the note is synchronized. As you can see here, the Evernote tab appeared at the bottom right hand corner to let me know this has been achieved. Okay, so I right click on the note we just created again. I go down to share again, but this time you can see within this tab I have a couple of additional options: stop sharing and share properties. I'm going to go to the sharing properties. I click here, and as you can see I have the option to stop sharing and open the URL. It's worth noting, if you're going to share via the clipboard, it is public, so a person doesn't have to be within Evernote to view this. They can view this via their web browser. However, of course, you can stop sharing and this will remove the URL. However, I'd like to just show you this note within the Evernote web. And this page will load up. It will be one moment. Excellent, and we're now viewing the note we created within Evernote Web. I'm just going to scroll down, and as you can see, it's contained the PDF. And if I play, this is an advert for the February session of the Hint Group, a chance to meet and discuss any. You can also hear it's contained the WAV file that goes with it as well. So this is a great way to share notes through Evernote Web, share them publicly as well. And as you can see, I also have the option to share. Again, I can share via Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or just share the link with colleagues or people I'd like to see this particular note. So I'm going to close this now. And back in Evernote, I'm going to click on the stop sharing so that URL is inaccessible. And as you can see, Evernote will appear with a warning just to let you know this action is about to happen. Okay, so I would like to create one more note finally within our default inbox, and this is going to be a video note just to show you how easy it is to insert video files into Evernote. So I'm going to go up to File, New Note, and this time I'm going to scroll along to the within the Note toolbar, I'm going to scroll along to the insert icon, which is next to the microphone icon we just used. So I'm going to click here, and as you see, I will now go to my desktop and retrieve the file I'm looking for. In this instance, I have used a WAV file. The file is under 25 megabytes because if you remember earlier on the presentation, I mentioned the file size for notes is 25 megabytes within the free edition of Evernote. So I'm going to click here to open, and click open again. Now, as you can see, the video clip does not play within the note. It does, however, give you an icon to play the video using the software you have on your desktop PC, Mac computer, or device you're using. So I will now double click on this video. And there we go, you can now see we have the video clip up. And it's playing quite the thing. And in this case, due to the file size, I'm certainly not going to send or share this. I don't think anyone would appreciate getting a 20 megabyte email sent to them. Okay, so we've covered notebooks, how to create notes within Evernote. I would now like to quickly and lastly go over the OCR, the optical character recognition search facility I mentioned way back at the start of the presentation. So I'm going to go into All Notes, and I'm going to search for a colleague's name. The colleague in question is Tom Duff, one of the team members here at Paisley. So I'm going to quickly search for Tom's name. So to do that, I simply go to the search facility that is located within the central pane, and this time bear in mind Evernote can search for text and text within images. So I want to show you how Evernote retrieves data within images. It will recognise Tom's name. So I'm going to go up to the search facility here, and I'm going to start typing Tom's name in. And you can see here what Evernote does. It starts to highlight all the text within the images that it's looking for. So I've not got it quite yet. I want to go Tom, and you can see there, crystal clear, it's found Tom's name within this door tag I produced. So you can see here it's highlighted in yellow, Tom's name, and that demonstrates the OCR technology, the optical character recognition technology that's present within Evernote. Okay everyone, that's the end of the practical demonstration within Evernote. I'm now going to close this down.